Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in this episode I'm going to discuss the GPL as well. And this is going to be a short video. I'm not going to tell you all the things you need to know about the GPL because I think you have seen this already, because there are a lot of people talking about this issue. The thing is that I don't really get what as a community we are doing at this moment with Creality. I understand completely that the GPL is there for a reason, and we should all try to live by that standard. Open source is a good thing. It's, I think, the best thing there is. And well, everyone should comply to the open source structure. And if you're using open source software, then keep it open source. I'm completely with this. I also think that all the credit should go out to the people who invented the software in the first place. So that's a good thing. Now, for the rest, we all know that Chinese companies, they don't give a damn about everything which has to do with open source, with copyright infringements. They don't care. And we know that. And if you don't want to support that, then don't buy a Chinese printer in the first place, because we all know that now we're talking about the Creality CR10S, because that's the model they didn't give the firmware free. But hey, have you seen the firmware for the JG Aurora A5? I haven't. Or have you seen the firmware for any G-Tech printer? Well, I didn't see it. So there are a lot of companies not giving their firmware, while we all know they run Marlin. And yeah, I think we can fight against this, and it's a good thing to do so, but I think we are the wrong people to do this. I think this fight should be done by the people who wrote the Marlin software. This fight should be, it shouldn't be us complaining about this. It should be the people who are having the problems with it, and we can support them. I truly understand that we can support them, but I think it's a bit hypocrite to not show any Creality CR10S anymore, but to do show any other printer that also don't show their source codes. So yeah, what's the big deal here? I know what the big deal is. The big deal is they're doing something which is terribly wrong. And I also think this is terribly wrong. Don't get me wrong, I'm completely against violations of those GPL rules, because they're a good thing. But stop using Chinese printers and don't attack only one company. That's my idea about it. So I have a lot of Chinese printers here. I all received them from GearBest or from other companies, or and it's a great thing. But when I'm not showing those printers anymore, I can quit my channel. And well, it's not about me, of course. So if that's the thing, then I should quit my channel. But all those people who are having these printers, I make my videos for the users. I don't make my videos for those companies. I make my videos for you, my viewers. And I think it's a bit odd if I stop showing the Creality machine over there. I think it's a bit odd if I stop showing the Ender machine over there, or the Anycubic machine over there. But I haven't seen any source codes of any of those three. It's a bit odd if I stop showing my Ender machine. There is no source code, I believe. It's a bit odd if I stop showing my G-Tech machines. No source code. Or the ANET. No source code. So, yeah, it's a bit strange if we fight against one company and forget about all the others. So what should we do as a YouTube community? Should we ban all 3D printers that are coming from China? Should we ban every company that violates those rules? I think that's a good thing. But then we should do this all together, and we should ban almost every 3D printer. And I don't see this happening. So I'm completely there to do something about this violation. And I think we should all send money and our love to the creators of the firmware that we are all using, the Marlin firmware. But fight against all the Chinese companies? We know that every Chinese company doesn't give a damn about any rules or any copyrights or whatever. They don't do that because you can't attack them, because in their country this is normal. So I am still going to show my printers. I am still going to work with my printers, and I think that if someone is having a problem because there is an infringement of his rights, then we should all help that person to fight against this infringement of his rights. And I'm willing to help. I'm willing to donate a little bit of money, that kind of things, so that person can fight this. But I'm not going to quit making YouTube videos because all my printers are printers with no open source code, while they all use Marlin software. So these are my 2 cents, and I'm for sure willing to read what you think about it. Please let me know in the comments down below. Maybe my opinion changes because of what I read in the comments down below. I really had to wait a few days before giving my opinion on this, because at first I really didn't know what to think about it, what to say about it. It really took a while for me to form my opinion that I'm now having. And maybe even this opinion changes. So please let me know in the comments down below what you think. But take in consideration that we should then not fight against Creality as a company, but fight against any company that does this. So those are my 2 cents. I hope to hear from you what you are thinking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.